The Art of Homemaking, presenting Essential Upholstery and Carpet Cleaning Tips. Acid stains on a carpet, or on upholstery, should be immediately diluted and neutralized, with baking soda and water, or with club soda. The same solutions will also keep vomit stains from setting. If someone spills an alcoholic drink on carpet, or upholstery, instantly dilute the spot with cold water, so that the alcohol doesn't have time to attack the dyes. If red wine is the culprit, dilute it with white wine, then clean the spot with cold water, and cover it with table salt. Wait 10 minutes, and then vacuum up the salt. Some homemakers use a paste of laundry starch and cold water to lift bloodstains from carpet or upholstery. The paste is allowed to dry and then brushed away. Dampen bloodstains on carpet or upholstery with cold water. Hot water sets the stains, then apply carpet or upholstery shampoo, and follow this treatment by applying dry cleaning fluid. To remove chewing gum that is stuck on the carpet, press an ice cube against the gum. The gum will harden, and can then be pulled off. Treat any last traces of gum with a spot remover. Blot coffee stains quickly, and dilute with plain water. Use dry cleaning fluid on tar spots, but apply it sparingly, and blot regularly. If there's candle wax on carpet or upholstery, put an ice cube in a plastic bag, and hold it against the wax. When the wax becomes brittle, chip it away with a dull knife. Here's another way to remove candle wax from carpet or upholstery. Place a blotter over the wax spot, and press with a warm iron, until the blotter absorbs the melted wax. Move the blotter frequently, so that it doesn't get oversaturated. You can occasionally remove crayon marks on carpet or upholstery, by using the iron and blotter treatment. That's effective, with candle wax. You can also try dabbing at them, using a cloth moistened with dry cleaning fluid. Absorb butter stains, and other greasy household stains on carpet or upholstery, with cornmeal, dried and ground corn cobs, or dry cleaning fluid. To remove no butter type grease stains on carpet or upholstery, scrape up as much spilled grease as possible, and apply dry cleaning fluid with a cloth. Or rub with paint thinner, cover with salt, and vacuum. Another alternative. Sprinkle with cornmeal, leave overnight, and vacuum. Use hairspray to lift ballpoint ink stains from carpet or upholstery. Use dry cleaning fluid, applied with a cloth, on other ink stains. Here's another way to cope with ink stains. Sprinkle them with salt. As ink is absorbed, brush the salt away and sprinkle again. Repeat as necessary. Try to remove mildew from carpet or upholstery with white vinegar. If spots remain, rub with dry cleaning fluid. Note: eliminate moist conditions, or the mildew will return. Lift nail polish with prepared polish removers, or acetone, but apply these sparingly, and with great care, because they can damage the carpet or upholstery. To remove wet latex paint spots on carpet or upholstery, dab with water. To remove wet oil-based paint spots, dab with turpentine, then absorb the turpentine with cornmeal. In either case, follow with an application of dry cleaning fluid, or shampoo. Allow mud spots to dry, then brush softly to loosen the dirt, and vacuum. If your pets have accidents on carpet or upholstery, blot the stains with water, then clean with club soda. A mix of equal parts of white vinegar and water is also effective. Remove animal hair from furniture by wiping with a damp sponge. Dabbing with pieces of Scotch tape also works well. You can remove soot stains by sprinkling generously with salt, allowing the salt to settle for several minutes, and vacuuming both salt and soot. The best way to clean vinyl upholstery is with baking soda on a damp cloth, followed by a light washing with a dishwashing soap. Never use oil, it will only harden the upholstery. If your carpet sweeper misses lint, string, and other small debris, just dampen the brushes. Carpet odors can be eliminated by sprinkling baking soda on the carpet before vacuuming, or by doing the same thing with 1 cup of borax, mixed with 2 cups of cornmeal. Let the latter mixture stand for an hour before vacuuming. That's all folks, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.